Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, October 11th, 2018. Well, we have quite a bit of rain on the way as we are finally getting rid of this tropical, uncomfortable, foggy air mass. But we're going to have to deal with some heavy rainfall and the potential for some flash flooding. I want to make something very clear, though, okay, because there's a bit of a misconception out there. This rainfall is not due to Michael. This rainfall is due to that tropical, soupy air mass that's been in place for quite some time, being lifted by a very strong, and I am very happy to say this, powerful cold front that's going to bring some real changes to the region. I'm talking about cool weather, low humidity, and yes, even a hint of some 30s in the northern interior. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, right now, we have periods of showers capable of some heavy downpours, some tropical thunderstorms as well. We have winds from the south-southeast ranging anywhere from about 10 to 20 miles per hour. These heavy downpours are going to be capable of producing some flash flooding, so definitely watch out for that. Temperatures this morning range from the lower to mid-70s throughout the region. As we look at the satellite picture, here comes our cold front approaching from the west. Okay, the cold front's back here. All this tropical moisture is being lifted because of the cold front approaching. Way down here is Michael. Michael is separate from all of this other lifting going on, but it will have some enhancement and some influence on our weather pattern as we head towards tomorrow morning. So what's going to happen when we take a look at the surface map here, we have Michael here, a tropical storm that will continue to weaken as it's lifting to the northeast. It's going to go through what we call a transition from tropical to extratropical. What that basically means is that it's going to turn into a non-tropical low pressure system, okay? So what that does is that it leads to a weakening of the wind field, but also an expansion of the wind field. And that's going to be very important for tomorrow morning. So the cold front is approaching from the west. It will produce periods of heavy rain throughout today on through this evening into the early morning hours tomorrow. By tomorrow, this cold front will be off the coast. At the same time, whatever is left of Michael will be passing to the southeast of the Delmarva Peninsula, over the New Jersey coastal waters, and to the south of Long Island, to the south and east of the region. This cold front, though, is going to act kind of like a barrier. So it's going to protect us from the heaviest rain. We're talking about the 4 to 8 inch rain. But we're still going to see some pretty good rainfall from this event, ranging anywhere from a half an inch to an inch and a half of rain on the northwest suburbs, 1 to 2 inches around the major cities, and 2 to 4 inches of rain possible over central southern New Jersey and portions of the Delmarva Peninsula because of that strong lifting and some influence from what's left of Michael. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, periods of rain, muggy, uncomfortable, look for highs in the mid to upper 70s. For tonight, that cold front will be pressing through the region, periods of heavy rain. Here comes Michael lifting up through North Carolina, heading towards the Delmarva Peninsula coast. There it is right off the coast by the time we get to 1 a.m. tonight. We have very heavy rainfall setting up over the region, but notice the cold front is slowly pushing off the coast. So that heavy rainfall from Michael is pushing and staying off the coast as well. By tomorrow morning, this low pressure system is transitioning into what we call an extratropical low. So, heavy rainfall through tonight, ending towards tomorrow morning, lingering showers tomorrow morning, but also windy. Look for northwesterly winds from 15 to 25 miles per hour at higher gusts, possibly reaching 50 miles per hour in a few isolated locations along the immediate coast. Further inland, 10 to 20 miles per hour with wind gusts anywhere from 30 to 40 miles per hour at times. This low pressure system will continue to head out. Look for low temperatures tomorrow in the upper 50s. For tomorrow afternoon, scattered cloud cover is expected. Highs in the lower to mid 60s, still breezy with winds from the northwest of 10 to 20 miles per hour. On Saturday, a weak disturbance will be moving through, producing a few isolated showers. Otherwise, scattered to broken cloud cover. Look for lows in the mid to upper 40s, highs in the mid to upper 50s. On Sunday, high pressure sitting right overhead, clear skies, light winds, temperatures plummet into the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast, highs in the mid to upper 50s. On Monday, a cold front moves through with a few scattered showers. Look for lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s, highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s. On Tuesday, scattered cloud cover is expected, lows in the lower to mid 50s, highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. On Wednesday, a series of cold fronts move through with a few isolated showers expected. Not a major rain event in any way, shape, or form, just a few passing showers. For the most part, we're looking at dry weather conditions. Look for lows in the mid-40s, highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. And finally, on Thursday, high pressure and complete control with clear skies. Look for lows in the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast, and mid to upper 50s for highs throughout the entire region. That's your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.